Well, hello, here we are again. February, beginning of February sort of thing. Temperature about 20 degrees or 68. Quite pleasant. Behave yourself, cat. Sorry, I'm being pestered by my cats. Please excuse the sunglasses, it's a bit sunny and I have light sensitive eyes. Anyway, this little video is only about what we do in the winter. I've been asked several times what we do because, as I've told you many times, there is no cinema, theatre. We socialise in bars and become, by English standards, alcoholics. But in Oscars the other day we had a tabletop sale. Now people spend hours at home making the products of this tabletop sale, and many are very similar things. They'll move from village to village where they do these things. This one is in Oscars at Roda, and well, it's what it is. And then a bit later on in the video I had to go to Corfu town, so I took the camera with me and done San Rocco Square and the market. So it's something to watch in this winter, remind you of your holidays to come, eh? So hope you enjoy the film and thank you for watching. Ciao. Nice sunny day, walking down to Oscars to their tabletop. So here we are, Oscars again, my local, and let's go inside and see what's going on. So this is Ian's stall. Hello Ian, how are you? You're looking well. Groceries. Did you knit all this yourself? Yeah. Nice knitted goods here. You've been busy, haven't you?
Yeah, got to keep yourself busy.
Hello, sweetie. I've got a wide angle lens on. All handmade by this young lady. Paula.
And she's got her own website, artchabot.com.
Are we getting all this info? Yes. It's all the raffle prizes.
No, this is Tombola.
Whatever that is. These are Tombola prizes. What's the difference? Hello, darling.
For 6 mil, 350, or for 12 mil, 6 euros.
Anything else?
Well, yeah.
I used to use
What kind of flavors do you like?
Hello, sexy. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
out.
Say again.
Corfu crafty cards.
There you go.
It's a Facebook page.
You get that? It's on camera.
Good.
Be on YouTube later. Okay, mate. In a minute, when I finish filming.
Alright then.
So this is all chutneys and
Chili sauces.
chili sauces.
Well, once again, good morning, everybody.
All made by Darren.
We do have sandwiches are available by ordering on the address or by yellow. We've got bacon or sausage.
Mostly handmade
And they're available.
by Gwen. And you've got nice clocks here made by Fiona. Hi Fiona.
Hi.
Takes a long time to make, do they?
Yeah, long process.
They're really pretty. Pots and pans made on behalf of a friend. For sale on behalf of a friend. All decorative, very useful. I like the big bottle. The weather is wonderful, but this is Corfu. It could just as easily be pissing with rain. Oops, can't say that. It could just have been peeing with rain. Anyway, the beach is beautiful. It was an interesting morning at the tabletop sales, although the same people go around everywhere. What a beautiful time of the year. Sun shining, empty beaches. But it's been a lovely day. Over there in the distance is Akaravi. I'll slow that again. In the distance is Akaravi. We're at the end of Roda High Street. Do you know what? It's not bad fishing off of this beach. Modest sized bass, if you fancy a little bit of night fishing. Summer or winter. Dead. Completely dead. But Oscar's is always open. The only place that has any life in the winter. A Karabi over there in the distance. I'm in San Rocco Square in Corfu town. This is roughly the centre of Corfu town. Everything starts here. If you're finding directions, you can always say, well, I'm in San Rocco Square, where do I go from here? It's very busy today. I don't know why, because it's quite late in the afternoon. And it's just interesting to sit and watch people. Although it is more expensive in Corfu town than my local drinking holes. Thanks for watching. Here we have San Rocco Square in the centre of Corfu. Everything happens from here. Sounds like they come to arrest me. If you couldn't hear me before, I said this is San Rocco Square, middle of Corfu. Expensive cafe there. Just working my way from the town up to the market to go into the market from the top end. But the car problem is horrendous. Glad I don't bring my car right into town. I park outside of town. What you can see there is the back of the old fort above the market. Worth a look round in there if you enjoy walking. There we are, the top of the market. We're in the market. It's quite late. Most places are closed. But I just wanted to show you the variety of goods we have here. All fresh. Most of it locally grown, and it's very, very cheap. I mean, I bought 2 big aubergines, a couple of great big beefsteak tomatoes, a few carrots, and some spring onions. €3. Can't complain at that, can you? Anyway, this is the market. It's just very quiet, and it's also the fish market. We have a good variety of fish. It's nearing the end of the day. Fish here is very expensive, but it does reduce in price at different stalls and as the market comes to closing. Anyway, have a look, it's the market. Very nice fish, good variety. Yes, we're feeling moves, ignore me. School's out. Not exactly rushed off their feet, are they? Lots of greenery, salad. Mind you, look at the weather.
Γιατί δεν μπορώ να μου σηκώσω το βάρη τώρα.
Honeys. Now that looks like what I'm looking for, a bar. All this stuff used to be €1. Now look at it. €2, €1.5. And it's done good stuff as well. All kinds of goodies. You wonder why Greek food tastes good? It's because of the spices and the herbs they put in. Baklava, very sweet. Nice bananas this time of the year, all fresh. You won't get prices like this in the UK. This is the best store in the market. I don't know the sort of fish cost in the UK, but here is good. We're now at the bottom of the market. Not busy today, thank God. Cheers.